Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be restocking the fridge and the pantry. Disclaimer, I do not buy meat from Aldi. We go to the butcher and get meat and eggs, so just excuse them, no meat in the fridge. We are going tomorrow morning. Took our passion fruit flavoured soft drink. I got 2 almond milk, trying some new coffee beans. Got a 4-pack of Turkish rolls, a black pepper flavoured ramen noodle bowl. I got 4 of these protein yogurts, vanilla flavoured. Classic enchilada mix. Got some raspberries, bananas, some floss, sour cream chives rice cakes. Got some roasted beetroot dip. Sea salt and rosemary chips, some blueberries, a sesame teriyaki noodle bowl, garlic bread, got some fig and pumpkin seed crackers, sliced cheese, got some pork dumplings, Pringles, rice cracker snacks, corn chips, sweet chili and lime rice, some broccoli, hippie mayo, baby potatoes, cheese and cracker containers, some lettuce, light thickened cream, disinfectant wipes, strawberries, sour cream and chives crackers, cucumbers, some camembert, spicy hummus, some salsa dip, plain crackers, and some beef jerky. As you can tell, there is quite a bit of food to put away, but that is okay. Let's get started. I know this looks really bare and we don't eat properly, but I usually do a massive cleanup before we go grocery shopping because we do go through a lot of our food, but then you have the little bits of a little bit of lettuce left over. So I always just chuck it out and then just get some new stuff. I feel a lot better now that it is all stocked up.